Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy shares on Webull. First, you'll need to open and fund your brokerage account. You can easily deposit money using methods like ACH transfers, which usually take 1 to 3 business days to clear. Once your funds are settled, you'll be ready to explore investment opportunities and start building your portfolio with confidence. Once your account is funded, it's time to find the shares you want to buy. Use the search bar at the top of the Webull app to look up companies by their ticker symbol or full name. You can also browse different sectors and industries. Take advantage of the detailed market data, news, and analyst ratings available to help you make informed investment choices. After selecting a stock, tap the Trade button to bring up the order entry screen. Here, you'll choose your order type. A market order buys at the current best available price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Then, simply enter the number of shares you want to purchase. Remember to consider your investment goals. Before finalizing your purchase, always take a moment to carefully review all the order details. Double-check the stock, order type, and the number of shares to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, confirm your trade to execute the order. Your new shares will then appear in your portfolio, ready for you to monitor their performance and growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.